Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Fiat 500 steering wheel. First, safety is paramount. Always begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. This prevents accidental airbag deployment. After disconnecting, wait at least 10 minutes for the airbag system to fully discharge. Also, make sure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and the front wheels are straight before you proceed. This ensures proper alignment later. With safety precautions in place, the next step is to remove the airbag module. You will find 2 or 3 small access holes on the back of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver or a suitable Torx bit, gently push into these holes to release the retaining clips. Once released, carefully pull the airbag module forward and disconnect the 2 electrical connectors from its back. Handle the airbag with care. Now, with the airbag safely removed, you can address the steering wheel itself. Disconnect any other electrical connectors that might be attached to the steering wheel, such as those for horn or radio controls. Next, you will need a 24mm socket wrench to loosen the large central retaining nut. Before fully removing the nut, it is a good idea to mark the steering wheel and the steering column for precise reinstallation alignment. Once the central nut is loose or removed, you can gently wiggle the steering wheel to free it from the spline shaft. It might require a little force, but avoid excessive pulling to prevent damage. Carefully lift the steering wheel off the column. Store it in a safe place where its components, especially the clock spring, won't be damaged. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.